Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of fast free shipping, and you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. What is this? ARROWMAX Ultimate Professional Products. Alright. Equipment name SES Electric Screwdriver with alloy case, 34 in 1. You get one smart electric screwdriver, one aluminum alloy storage box, manual, 34 times S2 steel, 4mm bits. Okay, so I guess it's a screwdriver. Alright. So if you guys are looking for something different, be great for building PCs and other small activities. Maybe RC car building and everything else like that. There we go. ARROWMAX. So just click the link down below. Ooh. I get this shrink wrap off. Bada boom. There's the bits right here. Here's the back side also. Oops. They are magnetic, so it does stick to it. There's different down here, what they're used for. Same with this side, all the way down. There, pop this thing out. I got nothing really to screw right now. I'll just show you how to do this. Really nice. Then on the display, it'll show it, and it has a nice little light. See? Down, up. I think this is power. This is where the USB charge goes. So it's kind of like a pen. And just take one of these. The bits. Put it in the hole. Where'd they go? There it is. Come on, focus. And then take it out. Oops. And grab another one. There we go. Nice and easy. ARROWMAX. Be a nice little Father's Day, maybe a stocking stuffer, type deal. Really cool. Super affordable. Just click the link and check out the prices. They got sales going on, so all you gotta do is click that link down below, add it to your cart now, check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. There you go. Alright, YouTubers. Have a good weekend. Happy Easter. And take it easy out there.